2003. I have volunteered here for 2 years.
How long have you studied in Rome?
I have studied art since 2003.
How long have you performed on stage?
Do you collect coins?
How long has Max played the keyboard?
A factory is a building. Companies create lots of items in factories.
Where do you volunteer?
Comedy.
Flute.
Politics.
Thousand.
Thousand.
On stage.
Поховання будинків основна робота.
Painting. Houses. Is my main job. I play chess. I play chess. She can play 1,000 songs.
I was an actor, and I love drama. I was an actor, and I love drama. I was an actor, and I loved drama. I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. How about you?